Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying Excel and AI access. Make sure Microsoft 365 Copilot or your chosen AI add-in is enabled. Next, clean and structure your dataset so headers match and columns have consistent types, because AI needs predictable input. Once that is done, connect Excel to the AI. Install the add-in or paste your API key and trusted credentials, then test with a simple prompt to confirm responses. This reduces wasted time and prevents errors when you scale up. Now you craft workflow prompts for cleaning, transforming, or generating formulas. Be explicit about columns and expected output formats, because clarity yields consistent results. Use Power Query combined with AI steps to automate ETL while keeping raw data unchanged, and build named ranges or template sheets to standardize inputs. Also generate a few sample outputs and validation checks. Spot check AI-generated formulas and values, so you can refine prompts iteratively and catch edge cases before automating broadly. Finish by packaging successful steps into macros, Power Automate flows, or repeatable scripts, and schedule them where appropriate so tasks run reliably. Make sure you log AI outputs and implement validation rules and a manual review gate for high-impact changes, so mistakes are reversible. If things go wrong, isolate failing rows, simplify the prompt to a minimal example, verify data types and formatting, and watch for API rate limits. This method pinpoints the issue quickly and restores confidence in the workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.